Hello everyone and welcome. The sound you just heard and you're about to hear, scratch scratch, go ahead, scratch. That is the sound of reinforcement. So let me just, that is my wife doing the sanding, finishing up this room while I have been preparing to start more, getting ready to mud some more walls in the other rooms. And she's almost finished with this one in the meantime. Say hi, honey. She doesn't want to turn around because she's full of dust on her face, and that's the funny part. Yeah, I know. I got. Let me. I outsourced the hardest part to the help. She mentions that she's also doing food. She's also making food for us. Yeah. So look, she's so cute. Look at it. Okay, enough. Don't want to get in too much trouble. All right. That's what's gonna happen today. He's also here to help because he screwed up big time. And yeah, I guess that's it. I'll see you in a few when I have something interesting to film.
Okay, another day is done. I don't really know if you can tell by the lighting, but it's done. Another day of grueling work. Let me just give you the tour. I know I didn't film anything. This is gonna be an update video. I'm sorry. Alright, so the room has all been sanded. It looks mostly the same when you go far, but when you zoom in, smooth as butter. It's smooth as butter. Basically, this entire room is ready for paint. That's gonna come a long ways away though, because that's what my wife did today. Sorry I didn't film any more of that. Because I finished mudding all of the corners, all of the hallway. And this is going to be sanded tomorrow. So maybe another video, maybe not, I don't know. But it's definitely gonna need a few more coats. Because that wall, I don't think you can really tell. Oh, you can see. All right, so that wall over there, that part is just cement and it's just been mudded over with plaster basically. So I really hope it doesn't crack, but it's gonna get another sanding and then it's gonna get another coat of it. Hopefully it will not crack. All of this looks like this, you can clearly see, so this definitely needs a sanding. And I also did the bathroom ceiling. Let me turn on the lights. Yeah, so I also did the bathroom ceiling. It looks basically the same. It's just like one line and down that. I haven't done, I just realized I didn't do all the holes, all of the screw holes. I need to do that as well. But that's gonna be tomorrow. I'm all out of material anyway today. So yeah, that's what I did today. The hallway is complete. Now it just needs sanding. I'm especially proud of my archway, and and I've also cleaned the window frame, so it looks good. It looks good on camera. Right. So yeah, that's that. It's almost done, and yeah, hopefully we might actually be able to get paint on the walls this year. I don't know. We'll see. I still have a few working days that the temperature should be okay, so there's that. Hopefully it's going to be a long autumn, so to speak, even with low temperatures. As long as it's autumn, it's gonna be fine. If it's winter, I'm not coming to work. Yeah, so there's that. All right, let me just flip it. All right, so that was today. Tomorrow, some sanding. We'll see if I make another video. You can tell I've been at work. All right, I guess that's it for today. See you tomorrow, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with a friend. More Warhammer coming soon. I even have a video that I didn't get to edit. The Thunderbolts Cavalry is done, and I'll try to make my first. I don't know if it's my first, but it's definitely gonna. I'm having fun. Hopefully, it's going to stick. A full 13 levels campaign. Let's see if that works for combat cards. Let's see if I can make it. It's still Saturday. I'm optimistic that I can get it done by Sunday, because it's still Saturday. All right, bye-bye. See you in the next one.